Hey guys, Mr. Zigner here. Today we're going to be using substitution to solve systems of equations. Here we go. First, we start with an easier problem. They do get harder. You can see in my system here, both of them say y equals. Well, if they both say y equals, well, then they're both equal to the same thing. So really, 7x minus 24 really equals negative 3x plus 16. So that's how I'm going to start this. 7x minus 24 equals negative 3x plus 16. Okay, now all we have to do is move things around until we know what x equals. I'm going to add 3x to both sides because right now we have x's on both sides and we don't want x's on both sides. On the left, we have 10x. Take away 24. This canceled out. On the right side, we still have our positive 16. Okay, next step. Let's get rid of this minus 24 with a plus 24. Do the same thing to both sides of the equation. Now these 24s cancel out, leaving me 10x on the left side, and 16 plus 24 is 40. Okay, well, let's see here. If we divide by 10, the 10s would cancel out, leaving me an x value of 40 divided by 10 is 4. Okay, we're technically halfway through the problem, but it was the harder half of the problem. The next half should be easier. Now what I want to do is pick one of the two equations to plug this 4 into. I think I'm going to use this first one. It doesn't matter which one you pick, though. So we have y equals 7x minus 24. However, we now know that x equals 4. So it really turns into y equals 7 times 4 minus 24. 7 times 4 is 28. Minus the 24 gives us a final value for y of 4. Oh, so this final answer for this system of equations is 4, 4. And how you write that is as an ordered pair. So we have 4, 4. Okay, on to a slightly harder one. Now we have one equation that's in standard form and another one in slope-intercept. I like working with this one first. You can see that y equals negative 6x plus 2. Since it equals y, what I'm going to do is take this negative 6x plus 2 and put it where the y is in the other equation. Here we go. So we have 6x minus 4 times negative 6x plus 2 equaling negative 8. All right, a little bit of distributive. So we're going to take negative 4 times negative 6 and negative 4 times 2. So negative 4 times negative 6 is positive 24x. And negative 4 times positive 2 is negative 8. All right, let's gather our x's together. 6x plus 24x is 30x. Minus 8 still equals negative 8. All right, let's finish solving for x here. So let's add 8 to both sides. So this cancels out, leaving us 30x. And here, oh, this cancels out also. But negative 8 plus 8 is 0. Finish by dividing by 30. And these cancel out, leaving us x equaling 0. Okay, so x is 0 so far. So we have 0, comma. Now I need to put this 0 into one of the equations. Again, I like to use the one that already says y equals, the slope-intercept one. So we have y equals negative 6 times 0 plus 2. Well, negative 6 times 0 is 0 plus 2. And we end up with y equaling 2. And there we go. The answer is 0, 2. Thanks for watching.